Happiness showers success. Happiness proves the metal. It's the happiness that counts. It's the result of perseverance and hard work. At Sri Anuragavi Garments, we count on every single smile that brings us immense success. Yes, we work hard towards that one goal: happiness and ultimate satisfaction. Sri Anuragavi Garments is one of India's leading clothing manufacturers, at the forefront of concept design, prototype innovation, and full-scale production, producing and distributing clothing of the highest quality to international fashion brands. From our central office at Tirupur, we are perfectly positioned to stay on top of latest trends in the ever-changing world of fashion.
We are clothing manufacturers committed to providing exceptional products which meet the high expectations of our customers, which goes along with our mission: employee satisfaction and customer satisfaction.
Testament to this is our growing customer base and increased productivity. To match the exceeding demands, Sri Anuragavi Garments has extended operations to Unit 3. Since operative from November 2016 with meager 150 employees, now the industry has grown vastly to employ 1,200 effective staff. We are proud to work towards women empowerment and rural development by employing 85% of women from 65 villages in the near vicinity. Established inside the natural, eco-friendly and picturesque landscape, Sri Anuragavi Garments is spread over 25,000 square meters of production space. Each and every product line are prepared in a highly integrated environment using the latest state-of-the-art production technology that enables us to produce world-class garments. With a storage space that accommodates 2 lakh kilograms of fabric, we finish the cutting of around 2 million pieces. We print 0.6 million pieces. We embroider 0.3 million pieces. We sew 1.5 million pieces, and we produce around 1.5 million garments in a month. We have installed fully automated cutting tech and spreading machine to maximize productivity. Cutting capacity is estimated at 80,000 pieces per day. Sri Anuragavi has installed automatic printing machines with the statutory curing chamber with an estimated printing capacity of 25,000 pieces per day. We have installed computerized, fully automatic, multi-head embroidery machines with an estimated production capacity of 12,000 pieces per day. Our company has installed 1,500 latest sewing machines that are flexible with required construction techniques. With the current production capacity of 1.5 million pieces per month, the infrastructure enables us to expand up to another 1,000 machines. Sri Anuragavi is now equipped with latest ironing tables with efficient workforce. With the current ironing capacity of 70,000 pieces in a day, advanced international technology and highly skilled manpower that always keeps Sri Anuragavi Garments one step ahead of all its competitors. Quality assurance of highest standard is strictly adhered to at every manufacturing stage. Home to highly motivated staff who work tirelessly to help Sri Anuragavi Garments attain newer heights. Needless to say, Sri Anuragavi's employees are its core strengths. Merchandisers and technicians keep the production processes in sync with the brand-specific requirement
in a highly indispensable manner. Sri Anuragavi Garments has a specialized sampling and designing team who are always on the lookout for the latest fashion trends in the market, and it's in cooperation within the production line to keep up the edge, always above the rest. Our fiscal growth rate keeps growing on an average of 20% per year, with an estimated sustainable growth in the forthcoming years. Sri Anuragavi Garments takes immense pleasure to keep our staff happy with the vast cafeteria, kids care creche, free transport facility, maintaining medical facilities inside the campus, and etc. Sri Anuragavi Garments, as one of the responsible corporate in the country, proudly contributes to the lucrative textile industry, as it promotes economy significantly by 13% to industrial production, 15% contribution to export earnings, and an impeccable contribution of 2% towards GDP. At Sri Anuragavi Garments, we count on happiness. We count on every single smile that brings us immense success. Yes, we work hard towards that one goal: happiness and ultimate satisfaction.